Expanding your e-commerce store to global markets can significantly boost growth. But localization involves more than just translation. In this video, we break it down into 5 actionable steps to help you get started. E-commerce localization goes beyond translation, encompassing various other aspects like adapting currencies, adjusting cultural elements, and ensuring legal compliance. For instance, a French version of your store should display prices in euros, use French language, and adhere to EU regulations. So for a truly localized experience, you need to adapt visual content to resonate with local audiences too. Using local models and culturally relevant scenes can help create familiarity instantly. And moreover, take local preferences and trends into consideration in your overall marketing strategy. For example, local holidays can provide significant opportunities for targeted promotions. And finally, you can build trust and credibility in new markets by collaborating with local partners and highlighting relevant social proof on your website, like displaying local customer logos and reviews. So another important aspect of localizing your store is multilingual SEO. Direct translations might not always capture the local terminology and search behavior. So make sure to do your research and find local keywords to reach the right audience. Technical SEO requirements such as hreflang tags are also critical for visibility in local search results, but they are time-consuming when done manually. Which brings us to our next point. To streamline the localization process, leverage tools that facilitate continuous translation processes and cultural adaptation. So, for example, comprehensive solutions like Weeklot don't only provide translation capabilities, but also allow you to localize media files and handle multilingual SEO automatically. And in addition, keep in mind that e-commerce stores have a large amount of product pages that are updated regularly. So, make sure to invest in solutions that can handle the scale and optimize your workflow with smart automatic features. And offering local payment options builds trust and enhances the shopping experience. For example, users in China prefer payment methods like Alipay, whereas in Europe, Klarna is one of the top options. Without these options, you risk losing global customers at the checkout stage. And another significant consideration is ensuring your shipment methods are efficient for international delivery and capable of handling returns. Partner with reliable global couriers and offer various shipping speeds to meet customer needs. Clear and easy return policies are crucial for building customer confidence, especially when it comes to shopping from overseas. So now that you know how to localize your e-commerce store, you can start your free Weeklot trial to kick off your website translation project. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in our next video.